Imagine a creature that can't fly, but swims faster than some fish. Imagine a black and white army living on the ice, enduring temperatures as low as -60 degrees Celsius. This is the penguin, the hero of Antarctica. Penguins aren't afraid of the cold. They were born to defy it. Their bodies are covered in thick, waterproof feathers and a layer of fat that keeps them warm. When the cold intensifies, penguins huddle together, forming a huge circle, each protecting the other. Although they can't fly, they are phenomenal swimmers. They can dive to depths exceeding 500 meters and stay underwater for more than 15 minutes. They use their wings like powerful oars, propelling them at incredible speeds. Amazing fact, in some species, the male carries the eggs for weeks, standing on the ice, with almost no food. Meanwhile, the female travels long distances to hunt for fish and squid, then returns to find her mate with pinpoint accuracy, thanks to her keen sense of hearing. Penguins live in huge colonies, numbering up to number missing in original text. Thousands upon thousands, each penguin has a unique call, like a fingerprint, so its young can recognize it amidst the throng. But there's a sad side. Melting ice and climate change are shrinking their natural habitat and making it harder to find food. That's why penguins are now a symbol of our planet's preservation. A penguin isn't just a bird, it's a lesson in patience, teamwork, and courage in the face of the harshest conditions on Earth. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and let's continue exploring the secrets of the animal kingdom together.